We are now on a desert island, and now we want to show you the top 5 tricks for swimming. Top 5 tricks that can save your life and cheer up your friends. Even those who can't swim will be able to float perfectly on the water. Because I will show you physical tricks, how you can deceive the laws and make sure that a person does not drown at all. Don't forget to bring food to enjoy watching. And let's go! So, let's start with life hack number 1, cola plus Mentos. You say, what's so unusual? But the trick is that we will combine cola and Mentos right inside the stomach. That is, cola is drunk first, and then Mentos is swallowed. Thus, a chemical reaction begins inside the stomach, gases are formed there and, due to the law of Archimedes, a person simply cannot drown. The air that will be in the stomach will not allow him to do this. Let's check it out. Now you'll see how it works.
We don't regret and take 3 things of Mentos at once. We open our magical Coca-Cola Thai nectar and pour it into yourself as much as you have the courage.
Enough, otherwise the explosion will be in the stomach.
Now the worst part is, I hope I don't explode.
Yes, it needs to be swallowed, not chewed. You took 3 at once?
Swallow.
Do you want danger now? Need 1.
Let me do it. Wait.
Did it hiss?
Not enough yet.
Immediately 3. It's dangerous, guys. Got gassy, can you feel it?
We have to wait. While we wait, so far nothing happens. Need more Mentos.
But you will burst. Better stop, Anton.
It is necessary to explode, so that even with fireworks.
Hissing? Hisses, the foam has gone. Swallow quickly. Why are you passing gases?
It's like I summoned a spirit.
Keep everything to yourself.
Wait.
Has it spread already?
Yes, my belly is bloated.
A huge amount of gas is formed in the stomach, and due to this, a person will not even be able to physically dive, not to drown.
Now I really want to release all this, but I keep it to myself. I'll go check if the hack works. It's working, guys. Look. It works. Works.
Look at this, guys. Our hack works. Anton does not sink, and he does not move at all.
I'll let the air out now. I'm unable.
What to do? Can't get all the gas out.
Oh, it go.
Oh, get up soon. Just get out and immediately went down.
I drowned. Yes, as soon as I let out the air, I drowned. The story is dubious, but the life hack seems to work. We put a big plus on the life hack.
The only drawback is that the life hack does not work for long, as sooner or later the air will come out. And that is why now we will show you the second, more interesting life hack. How to make sure that the air does not leave the stomach immediately. Let's go show our followers. The next life hack is called curly balloons. In order to achieve the desired effect, you need this balloon. What do you think should be done with it right now? You need to swallow it. And now Anton will show you how to do it safely. Guys, this is a standard 40-inch balloon. Come on, push it. Doesn't move, raise your head a little. Yes, that's it, now it's going. Guys, don't worry, the balloon is very flexible and soft. It will go into your stomach very easily. Come on, Anton, push through, swallow. It's going great, come on, lubricate with saliva. Come on, don't stop, come on, it'll work out. Let's. They are difficult to swallow without causing a gag reflex. Come on, push, there's a little left. Muck does not climb, swallow a little more. That's it, swallow? Are you bursting from the inside? This is tin.
Guys, the balloon keeps perfectly. I'm not drowning. Bliss.
Anton, listen, but how are we going to get it back? But it's not for everyone. Well, guys, if you don't want to torture yourself and swallow balloons, then we will show you the next life hack.
I do not know what is this.
These are inflatable pants. This is the trend of the season.
Are you serious? My God. Really panties? Oh my God.
Look, there's a nipple here. It is essentially like a camera, only thin.
Let's test it. This is such nonsense. Is this what they wear in Thailand? Oh my gosh.
Inflate soon.
Well, let's try.
You need a special adapter, because it is a German nipple.
German.
This little one will fit.
This one.
Yes. Guys, I want to remind you that we are now on a desert island and are shooting a whole series of videos about survival, about how we build a house here, how we get food. Therefore, be sure to follow the channel and watch our multi-episode series about survival on a desert island. Works? Yes, it inflates, but weakly.
Let's go to the limit.
Yes, come on, until the bang.
I'm about to have half my ass torn off.
Tell me, is this nonsense or are these normal life hacks? It's just tin. Are you barefoot in the sand?
If only not to step on a sea urchin, otherwise I'm walking barefoot. Listen, a cool sun lounger. Joking aside, guys, this is really cool. You can relax in the pool like this with a cocktail. Listen, the Germans know a lot about shorts.
Holds up normally?
Just great. Look, they hold me perfectly. I don't strain at all. You can sunbathe in the sun. Generally easy.
Get out, come on.
I like it. I don't want to get out, really. Maybe you want to try.
I want to remind you guys, you are watching the top 5 swimming life hacks from the Kreosan team. Here we tell you how to safely stay on the water without knowing how to swim.
Actually great, really. You can easily swim in these shorts. Is there a special piece for the wheel? We need to let the air out somehow.
I totally forgot about it.
How to take them off now?
Anton, now this is your chastity belt. Get used to it.
How to take them off?
Seems like this needs to be turned off.
Come on.
Gurgling?
You know, those are pants jacuzzi. Oh, that's it. Let it go. Let off the pressure. Unscrew the valve. Fashionable underpants, however, you can put on swimming shorts on top like this, come to the beach, swim, lower it like this, and go quietly for a walk around the city. Beautiful here on the island. Not enough coconut milkshake.
Anton decided to pump up to the limit. Now let's check whether it will explode or not. You decided to pump up to bang?
Now let's see how it goes.
Here it is puffed up. Maybe enough?
It's scary if the floor of the priests is torn off.
Who came up with this? It will explode.
Oh, I came up with a name for this thing. These are life pants.
Anton, what happened?
Guys, now everyone is jealous of me. Well, if objectively, they hold well on the water. The life pants are really great. Imagine how convenient it is. You don't have to take a huge life jacket with you. You just took your shorts in cellophane, threw the pump into your backpack. That's it, the ship sank, and you put on your underpants, pumped up and swim like this in the sea, and wait for someone to save you. You know guys, it's great. And the water is so warm, pleasant, it cannot be compared with any other resort. Holy mackerel. Girls, be jealous.
It looks like you've overdone it a bit.
You think so?
How about diving?
Water in the mouth. Interesting.
Come on, drown them. What is it, Anton? You feels bad?
Difficult to manage.
Is the ball turned upside down?
Now it's done. Oh, this jacuzzi suits me well.
Guys, are you ready to see the next life hack or not?
The further, the more interesting. What's next for you?
This is a special super tricky snail. Where is it?
There was a hole here, and it gurgled. I hope it's not dangerous. You see, it gurgles here. Look. Hope it's not dangerous. I do it with my bare hands.
The next life hack we have is the most childish. We need balloons again. We have so many balloons for modeling, thin and long. Yes, the same ones that make poodles on holidays. And now we will show you how to make a super cool protective vest for swimming out of them in just 15 minutes. For this life hack, we don't even need special skills. Let's put the music in here. Do you see it too? It turns out a poodle.
And it's holding up very well.
You see, everything is very simple. Twist the end of this one, and then it connects to another balloon. Well, here is the device. The advantage of such a life jacket is that even if one of the many balloons bursts, this will have little effect on overall buoyancy.
You know, cool stuff. Those modeling balls, they're really easy to control. Look, the frame is already ready.
Generally very fast.
Simply. The main thing is that nothing explodes and doesn't shoot in the face.
Modeling is very easy.
Today seems to be some kind of day of life hacks. Just a second, we need to tie it up so that it does not hang out.
All is ready?
Yes, great.
Shall we go test?
Is it even beautiful?
Horror, how will you swim in this? What are those sounds, Anton? Why slippers from sea urchins?
Yes, in order not to get hurt. Listen, I'm shocked. This is it. See?
It works?
Cool stuff. Look.
Guys, one strap fell off.
We do it right away. All fixed right away. Wow, this is really great, guys. This is bliss. I know, I should have put on life pants, put on a vest, had a cola with Mentos.
Then you will fly into space.
Wow, cool hat. I like it. Guys, I advise everyone. I even just advise you to spend time like this. Just for a laugh, to do such an interesting thing with your child or friends, just have fun on the beach, cheer up. After all, isn't happiness in joy? I think in joy. Great. Briefly speaking, if you dislike, then the same thing will happen to you, as with this balloon. Same thing. Don't even try to dislike this video.
Я возьму большие ласты, маску от противогаза. На пруду огромном сельском буду первым водолазом. А в пруду вода по пояс, опускаюсь осторожно, чтобы под большим давлением...